Hi everyone, today we're going to be making shrimp ceviche. For this recipe we're going to be using 4 pounds of raw shrimp. We will also be using 10 Roma tomatoes, 10 lemons for their lemon juice, and 5 avocados. We will also be using 2 cucumbers. I am going to be taking out the seeds. We're going to be using half an onion, 1 jalapeño, but if you do want it more spicy, you can add 1 serrano instead, and some cilantro. When the ceviche is ready, we're going to put it on the tostadas. We're also going to be using salt and pepper. First, we're going to start by peeling the shrimp. Now that our shrimp is peeled, we're going to cut it in small pieces. Here I've got my shrimp already cut and ready to be cooked. We're going to take it to the stove now. Here I'm at the stove and I got a pot of boiling water ready. We're going to put in the shrimp. And we're gonna leave the shrimp cooking for 4 to 5 minutes. The shrimp will start to change color. The shrimp is ready now, so we're gonna drain it and we're gonna leave it to cool for a few minutes while we go chop up the vegetables. Here I'm gonna start chopping the tomatoes. Here I'm gonna start chopping the onion. You can use any color of onion. You can use the white one or this type. It doesn't really matter, any of your choice. Now here I'm going to start mincing the jalapeño. You can use serrano if you want to, that will make it a little spicier, but I'm going to be using jalapeño. Here I'm going to start peeling the cucumber. I'm going to cut the cucumber in half, and then I'm going to take out the seeds. Now we're gonna start by cutting it. And now we're gonna start cutting the cilantro. And now we're gonna start by taking the juice out of the lemons. And now we're gonna put all the vegetables in, and we're gonna mix, like the tomato. Now we're gonna add the cucumber. Now we're gonna add the onion. And the jalapeño. Now we're gonna mix very well. Now we're gonna add something very important, which is the shrimp. We're gonna mix really well. And now we're gonna add the lemon juice. And again, start mixing very well. Now I'm adding my cilantro. And I'm gonna mix very well. Okay, now we're gonna add our avocado. And mix really well. Okay, now we're gonna season it with salt and pepper to your taste. And now we're gonna mix well. Okay guys, this is how our shrimp ceviche turned out. It was a super easy recipe, so I really recommend that you do it. I will be topping mine off with some tapatio. You can top yours off with Valentina, tapatio, cholula, anything you really want. And I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.